Good morning, 8th class. We are discussing our chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. Second property, reaction with water. When the metals react with water, they will form metal hydroxide and the hydrogen gas. Metal with water also form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Here are the examples that sodium react with the water H2O to form NaOH, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Potassium react with the water to form the potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with the hot water to form the magnesium oxide, that is MgO plus hydrogen, and zinc react with the steam to form the zinc oxide and hydrogen. Less reactive metal like copper, gold, silver do not react with the water even at high temperature because they are less reactive, so they do not react. Activity 4.6. In the activity 4.6, it is to investigate that the reaction of sodium with water, how it occurs. We have to take 150 ml beaker and add 50 ml of distilled water. Using tongs and knife, cut the piece of sodium roughly with the size of a wheat grain. Put this piece into the beaker with the help of tongs. You will see that the piece of sodium burn and react vigorously with water. So after the few seconds, touch the beaker, we will see that beaker will become warm. So test a drop of this solution with red litmus paper. The red litmus will turn the blue, which will show that solution is basic in nature. This happens because sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide, which is a basic compound. Because sodium is a basic compound, that's why it will turn red litmus paper blue. Non-metals, they do not react with the water. Only metals react with the water. Next is reaction with acid. Metals react with a dilute mineral acid such as hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid to form the different compounds and the hydrogen gas. And that different compounds are known as salts. That is, metal plus acid will form salt and hydrogen gas. The speed at which reaction occur depend on the reactivity of the metal. Higher reactive metal will react fast and moderately reactive metal will react slower. So these metals displace the hydrogen from its salt to form the solution. For example, sodium react with HCl. H space is occupied by sodium because now it displaces the H from its position, form NaCl, and H2 gas is liberated outside. Clear?